How to change language on Nanobanana.AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change it. First of all, go to the website name Nanobanana.AI. So here, this interface will pop up. Here on the right top, simply tap on this tree line icon. Here on the left, you can see this flag-like icon. Simply tap on this flag-like icon. So here, there are different languages that you can select into. So here are some limited ones. Now simply tap on the language that you want to change into. So here I'm selecting a language. So it will take some time, and as you can see, the whole interface is completely changed. So the language that you just selected will be applied, and as you can see, everything has been changed and you can work accordingly. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.